Welcome everyone to Oh Yum, and here is a cook-along essential recipe. Super quick, you need to be able to make homemade ranch dressing. Once you realize how easy it is, you will never buy store-bought again. So a good buttermilk ranch starts with, well, buttermilk. It's got a tanginess to it and it is very lean. But we're gonna fatten things up with a bit of mayonnaise. That gives your dressing, and this can double as a dip too, a little thickness and a little richness, and as well some sour cream. So you're playing on the tanginess of the buttermilk, but also that rich, creamy, yet tanginess of sour cream as well. And I find layering all three really makes a difference. I'll give that a quick little whisk. And now for my secret addition. If you've seen me use skim milk powder added to my whipping cream to whip it up nice and frothy, well, the same principle, the thickening, the binding of the instant skim milk powder, the added protein to the fat within the liquid helps to thicken it up and give it also an additional dairy richness. Now, if you have access to buttermilk powder, you could also use the same measurement just to really spike up that buttermilk flavor. That can be harder to find. With skim milk powder, you can find pretty much anywhere. And now for our flavorings, I have equal amounts of onion powder and garlic powder. Now, I'm all about shopping local, shopping with the season, using fresh ingredients where I can, but a time and a place for everything. And when it comes to ranch dressing, I find the granulated or garlic powder and the onion powder just give it that textbook ranch flavor. You don't want to add too much because the onion powder can almost be a little gritty in the dressing or dip, so a little goes a long way as it absorbs the flavor. And then some chopped green onion, 2 green onions, just roughly chopped up for a little bit of color. And we're almost done. Just our salt and pepper. How easy is that? As this dressing dip sits, it will thicken up and the flavors meld. And here's some good news. This dip will keep in the fridge as long as the closest expiry date, whether it's the buttermilk or the sour cream, which can be a fair bit of time. This makes about a cup or a little bit extra, depending how many green onions you want to put in there. I'll just get a spoon to show you the consistency. And there it is, a perfect dressing and dip for all your favorite salads, cut up vegetables, or wait until you see my chicken sliders. Perfect for this buttermilk ranch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. I've got lots more cook-along essentials planned. I better give this a taste. Oh yeah, give me a plate of cucumbers, I'll be happy.